If you're considering buying Renu Glyco because it promises to control blood sugar, support weight loss, improve cholesterol, and even lower blood pressure all in a single capsule, you might want to slow down before believing the hype, because products making this many medical claims usually deserve a closer look. Renu Glyco is marketed as an advanced metabolic support formula combining natural ingredients like berberine, cinnamon, and chromium, which are individually known for modest effects on blood sugar regulation. But the problem starts when these common compounds are packaged as a complete cure-all solution for multiple, complex health conditions without strong clinical backing for the actual formula itself. And while the advertising suggests it is clinically proven, FDA approved, and endorsed by medical experts, there is no reliable evidence that the product itself has undergone independent clinical trials or regulatory approval, which raises questions about how much of the marketing is exaggeration versus reality. Another concern is the lack of transparency around exact ingredient dosages, which makes it impossible to judge whether the formula contains effective amounts or just symbolic traces of active compounds. And similar supplements in this category often rely heavily on aggressive marketing tactics, including urgency-based discounts, countdown timers, and heavily scripted testimonials that may not reflect real user experiences. There are also reports suggesting that similar products are repeatedly rebranded under different names, which adds to confusion about consistency and legitimacy. And while some users of individual ingredients may experience mild benefits like improved glucose control or reduced cravings, the overall expectations set by the ads appear significantly higher than what typical science supports. After reviewing the claims, ingredients, and marketing patterns, the product sits in a gray area where it is not necessarily proven to be a scam, but also not strongly supported by transparent scientific validation. So the real outcome for users is likely to vary widely and may not match the dramatic promises shown in promotions.